Hi everybody, this is Joe again. In this video, I'll show you the right way to connect the earbuds. First, take out the earbuds and peer them. Simultaneously, push the button and wait. First, you can see the lights flashing from red and blue. Then the blue lights will flash 3 times. That means it finished the peering. Now take out your phone. Sometimes you'll meet 2 options of Savfy BTD0158. Please don't click each one of them because you only hear the sound from each one of them. And wait until you see only one choice here and click into it. We suggest you to open your Bluetooth until you see the blue lights flashing only, because that'll make sure you can successfully connect the earbuds to your phone.